This instructional video explains installation and configuration of the Scanmate version 4.2.3 software for networked workstations. A PDF transcript of this video can be downloaded via the link in the comments section. The Scanmate 4.2.3 software utilizes two components, the scanning software and database software. This video describes the creation of a network database with multiple workstation clients. Other videos in the series describe installation and setup of single workstations. Refer to those videos for instructions on installation and configuration of standalone systems. Before beginning installation, verify that all system requirements and software prerequisites have been met. Installation must first be performed on the computer which will act as the database server. Installation and configuration of client computers may be performed in any order after the server has been installed. The installer program is provided on a USB flash drive or as a download link. The installer file is located within the Scanmate installer folder. Ensure that the three items shown here are present in the folder. To begin, double-click the Scanmate Setup 4.2.3 file. If prompted, select Yes to allow the installer to make changes to the PC. The installer program will start. To begin installation, check the box next to I agree to the license terms and conditions and select Next. The installer program will show three installation options. Select the Server PC option and click the Next button. The installer will advance. Create a database password. The password must be at least 8 characters and contain a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers and/or symbols. Once the password is created, click the Next button. If the password does not meet the necessary criteria, a message will be displayed. In such a case, a new password must be created. The installer will advance. Select Install. The installation will begin. Installation times vary. Installation times are typically 10 to 20 minutes, depending upon the system's hardware configuration. A message will be displayed once the installation has finished. Select the Finish button to exit the installer. After installation has been completed for the database, the installation and configuration of client computers must be performed. Initiate the software installation on the client computers as previously described in this video. Select the Client PC option and click the Next button. The installation will begin. Messages may be displayed requesting permission to install. If a message is displayed, select Install. A message will be displayed once the software has been successfully installed and an icon will be created on the desktop. Select the Finish button to exit the installer, then double-click the DGH Scanmate desktop icon. If prompted, select Yes to allow the configuration program to make changes to the PC. The configuration program will open. Select the Start button. Mark the button next to SQL Server, then click the Browse button. The software will search the network for Scanmate databases. This may take several minutes. Choose the database server instance and enter the previously defined password. Then select the Connect button. Messages will be displayed once the database connection is established. Select the Next button. A database file will be created during configuration of the first client PC. Other clients will connect to this database file. The database file will be created on the main C drive of the server PC by default. An alternate drive may be selected if other hard drives are present. Drives must be local to the server PC. They cannot be mapped network drives. Once the desired drive is chosen, select the Create DB button. A message will be displayed once the database file has been created. Select the Next button. Enter a desired username, password, and password hint. This creates a non-admin user, which can be used to limit unintended access to the program. By default, the software is set to automatically log in. However, the user login requirement can be enabled in the Preferences menu of the software. A summary window will display the assigned username, password, and hint. Select Next to proceed, or if changes are necessary, select Back. The configuration is complete. Select the Close button to exit the configuration program. A message will be displayed indicating that no USB devices are connected to the computer. Select the OK button. The Scanmate software will open. Connect the DGH Scanmate device to unlock the software. Continue setup of the network by installing and configuring the client software on other computers as necessary.